Did you know that the secret to glowing, fragrant skin might be growing right in your backyard? Lemongrass isn't just for tea anymore. Today, we're diving into the world of lemongrass soap with lemongrass oil, nature's powerhouse for rejuvenating your skin and senses. Introduction. Hey, natural remedy enthusiasts! Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. I'm your name, and today we're unlocking the incredible benefits of lemongrass soap with lemongrass oil. Get ready to transform your skincare routine with this aromatic wonder. Main points. 1. What is lemongrass? Brief overview of lemongrass plant, historical uses in traditional medicine. 2. Benefits of lemongrass for skin, natural antiseptic and astringent properties, helps balance oil production, tones and firms skin, potential acne-fighting properties. 3. Lemongrass oil, the power booster, concentrated form of lemongrass benefits. Aromatherapy effects, stress relief and mood enhancement, additional antifungal properties. 4. Making lemongrass soap at home. Basic ingredients needed, step-by-step process, simplified. Tips for incorporating lemongrass oil effectively. 5. Using lemongrass soap. How often to use, best practices for application, potential skin types that benefit most. 6. Precautions and considerations. Patch testing for sensitivity, proper dilution of lemongrass oil, not recommended for very sensitive skin or children under 2 long-term remedies and uses. 1. Daily skincare ritual. Use lemongrass soap as part of your morning routine to invigorate your senses and prep your skin for the day. Follow up with a light, lemongrass infused moisturizer for all-day freshness. 2. Acne treatment plan. Incorporate lemongrass soap into your acne-fighting regimen, using it 2-3 times a week. Combine with a gentle lemongrass toner for enhanced results. Give this routine at least 4-6 weeks to see significant improvements. 3. Anti-aging regimen. Use lemongrass soap nightly to remove impurities and tone skin. Apply a few drops of diluted lemongrass oil to problem areas before bed. Consistent use over 2-3 months can help reduce the appearance of fine lines. 4. Foot care treatment. Soak feet in warm water with a few drops of lemongrass oil weekly. Follow up by washing with lemongrass soap to combat foot odor and fungal issues. Maintain this routine for at least a month for noticeable improvements. 5. Stress relief program. Create a relaxing bath experience by adding lemongrass soap shavings to warm bath water. Inhale the steam deeply and soak for 15-20 minutes. Repeat 2-3 times a week for a month to establish a calming routine. 6. Scalp health boost. Once a week, massage diluted lemongrass oil into your scalp before shampooing. Follow up with a lemongrass infused shampoo bar. Continue for 2-3 months to potentially improve scalp health and hair growth. Call to action. If you're excited to add lemongrass to your natural remedy arsenal, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home remedies. Share your lemongrass experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you.